Nice sunset weather. No better time to go for a nice drive and get some exhaust clips. Not only are we gonna actually get the exhaust clips, but we're gonna do a few cookies, because why the heck not? VQ has this feature where it only goes up to 5,000 RPM. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll down and then I'm gonna rev it to hit red line. Flyby. All right. I know this is just like a silly excuse to drift, but why not hear what it sounds like from the POV with the car getting sideways with just a muffler delete? I know it's an exhaust video, but hey. Window up. This is how the downshift sound like. Cute little pops that I don't think the camera can hear.